Good night, I guess. Yeah, anyway, good night, fans. This is your boy Angel right here. Everybody knows that, well, nobody knows. I don't know if you know. But yeah, listen, prank video got deleted on my phone because it was acting stupid. And it froze on me while I was about to post it and just deleted it. I'm pissed off right now. I apologize for that. But tomorrow I will be doing tricks for kisses video tomorrow afternoon after I come from work. So yeah, I'm trying to do this video really quick. Apologize for that. I'm mad at myself. It was a good prank video, but yeah. So today's video is gonna be about my puppies, me eating dog food, and please subscribe to my friend Starchild. So here we go. So I'm recording my boy right now. I'm about to eat some dog food from TD Bank. Right there. Where dog food at? Right there. There you go, eating dog food. How does it taste?
Weedy.
Huh?
Weedy.
Weedy?
Forget about that weedy cereal when you got dog food.
Let me see. There you go, eating dog food. TD Bank. So yeah. How you want to end it?
I don't know. How was there any other way to end it?
Say goodbye to your fans.
Bye, fans.
Here you go.
Alright, this line looks long. I'm thinking about that for the one in Manhattan. Come on.
Hello. Let me get some dog food too. Get some dog food too.
Badass took lollipops and food.
Yeah. Hey there. So that was my boy eating dog food. And oh man, this is gonna be the first time I try it. Right here. You can hold this for me. So
My doggy food.
So the first time I'ma eat it. How it taste?
Yummy.
Yummy? It tastes like
Wheaties.
yeah, crackers.
No. The actual Wheaties.
Yeah. It tastes like Wheaties, the crackers or whatever.
Not the weed that you smoke.
But yeah. It needs more taste to it. But nasty.
Maybe some cheese or something.
But
Where's my phone?
in my pocket.
Which pocket?
My right. But yeah, thank you for watching. We're gonna go, I don't know where we're going next, but I will vlog wherever we go next. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh yeah, having the puppies play. Yes. Hey, go, get. Chilla.
Hello, this is Aphrodite Starchild. I am a very close friend of Angel's, and I just wanted to sponsor my YouTube channel on his channel. What to expect from my channel is singing vlogs, makeup tutorials, and storytime vlogs. And if you don't know what storytime vlogs are, basically it's like videos where people tell like stories of like crazy situations and, you know, funny stories. It can be like crazy stories, like stories like that. So expect to see that, and also lip sync vlogs, because, you know, me and Angel lip synced for our lives supposedly, and we all know how that went down. I clearly won. No, I'm just kidding. Well, anyways, no. And also, you can look forward to Aphrodite Tea, which is where you guys can send me topics and I will discuss them and spill the tea, because Aphrodite Tea. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, and subscribe to Angel Hernandez 931061, and subscribe to Aphrodite Starchild. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.